Hi guys! Update about Ollie. Hindi tayo nakalabas ng ilang araw. Marami tayong ginawa. I attended an oath taking of my sister. The other one is that I had a doctor's appointment. Now, lumabas tayo with Ollie the CAMPERVAN. Nag-grocery lang tayo. Bumili lang tayo ng mga necessities at home. And at the same time, I also bought a footstool na pwede natin gamitin para meron tayong pedestal na mapagpapatungan even before entering the main living area of our camper van. Sing up. It's still hot. Nagpagas tayo ng 10 liters. 644. Thank you. Hi guys! How are you today? So, right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa na naman pong tambayan natin. This place can be found in Roxas City, Capiz. Once again, I'm not done yet in promoting my city. First and foremost, gusto ko munang maikot yung city namin at maipakita sa inyo yung mga magagandang lugar na pwede ninyong i-visit once you come to our place or to our city. So yeah, I love this place. In the background is what you can see, marami pong mga coconut trees which made this place even more beautiful. Kanina, meron tayong mga nakasamang mga former student. Ayan, nasayahan sila dahil first time nila siguro nakita ng campervan dito sa Roxas City, and to their surprise, kilala pa nila yung may-ari.
Don't got no heart, I got an icebox. Brand new roller, swap out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hot. No more double, go ahead of detox. Yeah, yeah. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and tell my family out the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've
Are going to chase the sunset. Ayan, so we're gonna be taking a video of the sunset. It's a bit shaky, you guys, but please bear with it. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng sunset. Mesmerizing. Amazing. Ang ganda. Super. It's, wow. Afternoon camping is really the best. Ang ganda. I-picture tayo. Picture. Alright guys, sunset is done. Time for us to go home. And pack up na tayo. Balik na lang ulit tayo dito bukas for another day camping episode. Alright, let's go! Time to go home, you guys. Uwi na tayo.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young.